Locksmith Kallangur. Have you ever found yourself in a bind because you misplaced your car keys? Fret not, because Auto Tech Locksmiths is here to save the day. We specialize in providing swift and efficient solutions for various automotive locksmith needs. If you've accidentally left your keys inside the car, resulting in an unfortunate lockout situation, worry not, our dedicated locksmith service operates 24/7 to assist you in gaining access to your vehicle. Losing your car keys can be a major inconvenience, but with Auto Tech Locksmiths, getting a replacement is a breeze. Simply give us a call, and we'll promptly provide you with a new set of keys, allowing you to get back on the road without a hitch. Our commitment to providing comprehensive automotive locksmith services extends to car lockout service. Accidents happen, and finding yourself locked out of your car can be a frustrating experience. With Auto Tech Locksmiths, you can count on a reliable and prompt response to your automotive locksmith's needs.